Hey everyone. So I am going to open my Witch's Moon just came, and I believe this is for the month of October. Wow, it's October. So let us get in to this and hopefully not hurt ourselves. Okay. Yep. Witch's Moon. All right, box in a box. Turn it over. So it's our Witch's Moon box for October 2021. Ooh, all kinds of good stuff in here. I'm excited. Okay, so first thing I see is my Oracle card. This one is good cheer. I can get down with some good cheer. With kind hearts and humor free, may good cheer rule. So would it be. It's a pretty card. Dig it. Okay, this is what's in the box, so I'll wait till the end. We have says Whispers in the Night, Book of Shadows page, very pretty. I like that. And then we have, ooh, Medusa. Hi, Medusa. I'm sorry about the glare there. We've got Medusa. I love their artwork. Look at her with her little snakes, feathers. There's Medusa. Alrighty. And then I see this is Samhain. I didn't know that that's how you're supposed to say it because it doesn't look like it's spelled that, but I think it's Samhain. And this is my ritual bath salt. See what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. It almost smells like herbs and lifesavers. I don't know. That smells amazing. We'll see what's in it. It smells really good. Okay. On to the next. I'm sure here's our candle. I see that it's black. I don't smell anything. Hopefully I'm not going to cut myself. Cut away. Let's see here. All right. Yep, black. And I don't really see any herbs or anything on it. And I can't really smell anything, so. But that's cool. Definitely for protection, I'm sure. Then we have, incense. It says the veil. Because you know they say at this time of year, the veil is thinning. So there's the veil. There's, let's see how it smells. Also has a very light fragrance, and there's, I think about 7 or 8 of them in there. Then we have some yellow duck. Yellow duck? I don't know what yellow duck is. We'll have to read into that. Yellow duck. Yeah, it just says yellow duck root. Okay, that's a new one for me. And then we have, I don't even know what that says. I think it's epitote herb? Epitote? I don't know. I'll read that one too. Then we have bird's foot. Bird's foot. Kind of looks like bird seed. Oh, here was the back of this one. This reminds me of hay. All right, and then we have, this is gonna be our little herb bottle, I'm sure. Holy moly. What are you? Okay, that freaked me out a little bit because I didn't know what it was. Okay. Oh, I can already tell. I think it's a howlite. That's what it looks like. Hold on. Let me get in here. It's a stone. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to have to look that guy up. Maybe it's a flower agate. Thought it was a howlite in the beginning, but maybe I think it's a flower agate. I will look into that, see what that is. Then we have this. I have the best stuff in these boxes. All right, here is our oil. And the oil is also Medusa. Let's see how Medusa smells. Medusa smells amazing, and I almost feel like there's maybe like a eucalyptus or it kind of reminds me of like Vicks. Menthol, maybe? That's what it smells like. I have it on my hands now. It smells good. Okay. And we have, this thing is big, whatever you are. Hold on now. They're really big and very heavy. Really heavy. Like iron heavy. Very cool. Hi, Medusa. Wow. This is so heavy. It's metal. She is amazing. She's so cool. That's really neat. Okay, I think, yep, that's everything. Oh, I dig her. I dig her a lot. Okay, so let me get all these back in here. We're gonna figure out what some of this stuff is that I don't know. All right, like this stone, for example. Oh, we don't want to mess up Medusa here. Okay. And this rock here. Card. Okie dokie. So, in here, it is Protectress of the Veil. And so we've got the Medusa plaque, the Book of Shadows artwork, the hand-rolled Whispers in the Night spell candle, really cool. The Book of Shadows page, the Medusa anointing oil. It's a flower agate stone. Yellow duck root, which is Rumex crispus. Used to attract money and a lover. Wow, you kind of can't go wrong, right? Epizote herb is known for, it's a Latin American indigenous herb. Works to digest hardships of life, clears out any negative and stagnant energies associated with the underworld, land of the dead, uses an offering and an ancestral altar. That's really cool to know. This bird's foot is fenugreek seed, most commonly known within money magic spells. We're going to have all kinds of money here. Growth rituals, astral travel, shamanic discovery. We got the Veil Ritual Incense Sticks, the Samhain Celebratory Sacred Salt. Neat. We got the Oracle card and, of course, the extra piece of parchment paper. Whoops, sorry, that comes with. So once again, this box is spot on being so cool. And I gotta tell you, this thing, this thing alone is probably the cost of the shipping for the box. This thing is so heavy. It is really, really cool. I dig her. And I guess I can still look at her and not freeze. So there's that. So anyway, thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. And please like and subscribe and follow my page. I also have follow my channel. I also have a couple other channels, so I'll have everything listed below as well as the information for this box. Thanks so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.